Hi guys, in this video I will talk about list in Python. Lists are more like arrays in other programming languages, but it can be any type. So while declaring an array in language like C, it has to be same type. But in Python, list can be anything. uh, List can be consist of any type of variables, so it can consist of integers, strings, floats, even objects. So lists are mutable, means you can change the items in a list. So each item can be accessed by index. Sorry. So the zeroth item is 1. If I put 1, we'll get string. So like I said, it is mutable. Let me just assign something to first item. Then print list A. Now see, this anything is changed to everything. So there are other types which are called tuples, which are mutable. So they behave more like list, but they are immutable. We can't change the contents of the tuples. So you can initialize list using this syntax, or you can use list construct also. Let me print it out. At most 3 arguments, so I need to pass it as a list. Okay, this this thing actually mostly used while we are declaring empty list. See, now it is class list. So all these methods we can use on the list variable. Append, insert and extend are used to add the data to lists. So let me just add it here. Let me take another list. List B will be like 2. Everything 4, 5, 4. So append is used to add the data at the end of the list. Let me add Iron Man at the end of the first list. So this append will add this Iron Man after 12.0. So the index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. The third, actually the fourth item with the index 3 will be Iron Man. So we can even check that out. So after appending, I will print the list. See, the fourth element will be arrangement. So whereas insert will add this element at specified index. So let's say I wanna add Iron Man at 1th index, which is if index 1 means second element. Let me pass 1 as an argument. See here the second element with the index 1 will be Iron Man. Extend is used to add one list to another. So we need to pass a list here. Let me pass list B. Actually extend, right? Now this thing is added after the list. So pop and remove are used to delete the data. I mean remove the data from list. So pop is used to remove the last element. So let me just list A dot pop. After popping operation, we'll be printing list A. Sorry. Now this element is not here. So pop operation will return us the removed element. We can also print that thing here. Let me just copy. So this operation removes the last element and return that element to the specified variable. So we can also pass an index to the pop up method. So if I pass index 1, so this will remove this element. So now anything is removed. If you want to pass element to remove instead of the index, you can use remove method. So let me pass 1 here. Previously 1 is the index, now it is a element of the list. Now see 1 is removed. So sort and reverse are used to sort is used to sort the data. Reverse is used to reverse the element. So we'll first try reverse. See, if you saw my previous tutorial on strings, that will return another string after the operation. It will change the present variable. Whereas in list, it will change the present variable. There is a small distinction between uses of string of methods and list methods. So caution should be taken while performing these two. So to examine the sort operation, let me just add this some other thing 14. Let me just sort. So that will sort the element in ascending order. So we can also do the sorting in descending order with a reverse keyword. Okay, this is ascending order, this is a descending order. You need to pass reverse equal to true. So it is used to order the strings also. Let me actually use Captain America. Iron Man. I'm bad. So now this operation actually sorted the list in descending order. The sort method will take the first character within a string to sort it out. One more thing to note down is count. Count will use it to count the specified element within a list. If I add another 2 here, list B count, pass an element to that method, count 2 equal to count. See, 2 appears 2 times. I know that is a bit uh, hard to understand. Let's try this. Now 2 appears 3 times in a list. So whenever you assign a list to another list, let's say list A, it actually won't copy anything to list C. Okay, so list C will be referenced to list A. So both will share same memory location. So to check this, let me just pop out one element from list A, then print both. So the first one will be list A, second one will be list C. See, even though I popped out of item, I removed item of list A, the list C item also removed. So if you want to copy all the elements from list A to list D, you need to use copy method. Okay, this is a string. Sorry, it has to be used something like this. Now see, list A, the element in list A is removed. List C is same as list A before we removed element. So clear is used to remove all the elements. So let me just perform a clear here and print this thing. Now we get empty list. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.